Have you ever looked at a breathtaking photo or watched a beautifully crafted video and thought, I wish I could create something like that? Maybe you already love snapping pictures with your phone or capturing little moments in your life, but there's a part of you that's ready to take it to the next level. What if you could learn to create art with your camera or craft a story through video that moves people, inspires them, or even makes them see the world differently? Trust me, it's not as intimidating as it sounds, and today we're going to explore exactly how you can do it. Hi, I'm Lynn, and welcome to Life Reimagined with Lynn. This is the fourth episode in my series, Challenging the Ordinary, and today we're diving into advanced photography and digital storytelling. This isn't just about learning new skills, it's about discovering a new way to express yourself. Capture the beauty of everyday moments. It isn't just about learning new skills, it's about discovering a new way to express yourself. Capture the beauty in everyday moments and tell your unique story. Whether you're picking up a camera for the first time or you've been dabbling for years, this is your sign to step up your game and create something extraordinary. Photography and storytelling are much more than just hobbies. They're ways of seeing the world, of noticing the small details, the light and shadows, the emotions that make life so rich and complex. They're also powerful tools of self-expression. Every photo you take or video you create is a reflection of how you see the world, and that's something no one else can replicate. Let's start with photography. One of the most exciting things about diving into advanced photography is realizing just how much potential your camera has, whether it's a fancy DSLR, a mirrorless camera, or even your smartphone. You don't need the most expensive gear to get started. What matters most is learning how to use what you have to its fullest potential. Have you ever heard the phrase, the best camera is the one you have with you? It's true. You can create stunning images with just your phone if you know a few tricks. For example, understanding lighting is a game changer. The way light falls on your subject, whether it's the golden glow of a sunset or the soft shadows of an overcast day, it can completely transform your photos. Spend some time observing how light changes throughout the day and practice using it to your advantage. Another key to stepping up your photography game is learning how to compose your shots. Composition is all about where you place your subject and how you frame your photo. The rule of thirds is a great place to start. It's a simple trick that makes your image instantly more dynamic and interesting. But don't stop there. Play around with angles, perspectives, and focal points to create something truly unique. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to experiment with more advanced techniques like depth of field, long exposures, or even editing. Learning how to edit your photos, whether it's adjusting the color, cropping for impact, or adding a little extra pop, can take your images from good to extraordinary. Apps like Lightroom or Snapseed make editing accessible and fun, even if you're just starting out. Now let's talk about digital storytelling. This is where photography and video come together to create something magical. Digital storytelling is all about weaving together images, video clips, sound, and narration to tell a story. And here's the thing, everyone has a story worth telling. Think about a moment in your life that meant a lot to you. Maybe it was a family gathering, a solo trip, or even a simple walk in nature where you felt completely at peace. Now imagine capturing that moment and sharing it in a way that allows others to feel what you felt, to see what you saw. That's the power of digital storytelling. You don't need to be a tech genius to get started. In fact, some of the best stories are the simplest ones, told with heart and authenticity. If you're new to video, start recording little snippets of your day, your morning coffee, a flower blooming in your garden, a laugh shared with a friend. These small moments are the building blocks of great stories. Once you've gathered some footage, you can use free or affordable tools like iMovie, Adobe, Premiere, Rush, or Canva to start piecing it together. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just focus on capturing the essence of the story you want to tell. Add a little music, maybe some text or voiceover, and suddenly you've created something that feels alive and meaningful. If you're feeling more adventurous, you can explore storytelling techniques like time-lapse, slow motion, or even drone footage. These techniques add a layer of creativity and excitement to your work, but they're not essential. What matters most is that your story feels personal and true to you. One of the things I love most about photography and storytelling is how they help you see the world differently. Suddenly you're noticing the way light dances on the lake, or the joy in someone's smile. You're finding beauty in the ordinary and capturing moments that might otherwise go unnoticed. And the best part, these skills grow with you. The more you practice, the more you'll see, learn, and create. If you're not sure where to start, there are so many resources out there to help you. Look for online courses or tutorials on platforms like YouTube and Skillshare. Join a local photography club or storytelling group to connect with others who share your passion. And most importantly, give yourself permission to experiment and play. Photography and storytelling are also incredible ways to connect with others. Share your work with friends, families, or even online communities. The feedback and encouragement you'll receive can be so inspiring. And who knows, you might even inspire someone else to pick up a camera and start creating. So, are you ready to start capturing the world in a whole new way? Whether you're taking your first step into advanced photography or diving into the world of digital storytelling, I promise you it's a journey worth taking. You'll discover not only new skills, but also a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you. And you'll have fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below sharing what you're most excited to create. And check out the links in the description for more inspirations, including my coaching program where I'll help you design a life filled with creativity, adventure, and joy. In our next episode, we're getting our hands dirty, literally, with gardening as both art and therapy. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, remember, life isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about creating it. Let's reimagine your life together.